back to your own favorite channel, Subham's World. Today we're going to do one project about safety on floods. For this project, we need so much things to make it.
This is really a working model we can do at home. Imagine this is our base of our house. These are our pillars of our house. Our 4 pillars are ready.
This is the beautiful house we will place here.
Imagine these floating loops are under our house.
Our house base is ready. Our house going to be ready. Let's do our pillar work.
Let's fix these pillars. Let's design our house. Look our lovely house. This is our simple house. When the flood will come, slowly this house will come up. Now experiment time. Now let's put the house inside the pillar. Imagine flood came. Look, flood came, but look, water is everywhere, but your house is floating. Look, water level is coming up, but don't worry, house is floating. Look, it is really working. Coastal region like Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, where flood comes regularly, we can think about this plan. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Do not forget to put bell button. Bye bye and do some comments.